Title: Healing a Broken Heart. Ayesha was a hard-working university student who believed deeply in love and friendship. In her class, she met Ali, a charming and confident boy who was known for his friendly nature. Ali often complimented Ayesha, talked to her every day, and slowly won her trust. Ayesha thought his attention meant true love. However, Ali had a habit of flirting with many girls and was not loyal. After some time, Ayesha discovered that Ali was talking to other girls in the same way. She felt betrayed, heartbroken, and lost her confidence. Her studies and daily life started to suffer because she could not stop thinking about the deception. Concerned about her emotional health, Ayesha decided to seek help from a psychologist, Dr. Sara. During several therapy sessions, Dr. Sara listened carefully to Ayesha's feelings and helped her understand that heartbreak is a painful but common human experience. She guided Ayesha with emotional coping strategies, self-reflection exercises, and confidence-building activities. Slowly, Ayesha began to heal. She learned that her value did not depend on someone else's loyalty. With time, she focused again on her studies, friendships, and personal growth. The pain that once controlled her life became a lesson that made her stronger and wiser. Conclusion: this story shows that betrayal can cause deep emotional pain, but psychological support and self-awareness can help people recover. Through therapy and self-growth, Ayesha